Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 20, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this ZTE. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Features. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher at the top if it's not already on. Then follow all of those instructions. Tap and hold the back button to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always resize your screen by holding one of its corners and dragging it. If you wish to change placement of it, click on this icon at the bottom right or left corner. In order to go back to the standard size screen, just click on this blurry area. Now, to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same, now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!